Hello guys, Storm Dakota here. We are about to watch some of these houses get absolutely torn to shreds. Currently getting 88 miles per hour. Oh my god, there we go! I just got that! Oh, that house is gonna go next. That house. Oh my god. Oh god, there's a tree. Oh, oh! We're intercepting! Wow! Oh, this one is next. This one right to my right is next. This one to my right is next. Currently getting max is 125. Here goes this one. This one. Oh! Oh my god. Oh my god, there it goes! There it goes! Oh my god! Oh my god, this is amazing! 130! Oh my god, power line over me! Power line over me! Oh my god, I have a good shot of you, Cole, on my probe. I see you right there.